Daladehi Leit Jngoh Menteri Rambak Ka Jelau Konrad ke sama ya ke benta jong Ka Ïewduh ya ka bakumno ban penbaha ban pensuk ya ke pajba kinong wan yau kinong di kinong thiet hapo jong ka ne ka yoba ka badan hapo ka sor shilong hakane ka sngi ka khat kandai tare ku jomang wat apreng ka jinghap jong slap om syam lapen kan ria haki wepat ki sngi Henry na kalyang Menteri Rambak Ka Jela ula kloi ban sya slap haka jingji ban Pyndep yala ka Kamram Hakane kasngi lawan ban sendron lang daw sembut Menteri Rambak Ka Jela ba Preston Tensong uba Paul Lengdo usim jong ka hima melim lambat kiwe de ki officer Hakane kasngi haba ai jingkran na kalyang konrat ke sama ulapen pau ya ka jing saukhia halor ka jinglong ka jingman ke lenti ya ka jat pat ki nala bat na kalyang ka jungu ulakular ban bei tingka sa komba khatsan kulurei na ka benta ban penni tenat shushu ya ki benta jong Ka Ïewduh
Right. So all waterproof. Yes. Keren ni jangan. Ya mulai. Ya, backend back. Banding kan tak. Mesti ya banding. Ya. I think they put monthly. Apa tu? Naik nak? Ulang lagi saja mas.
Kamram aji lot ke tolong. Kasih macam. Shisha. Andong kas yang. Because the other part of Ïewduh, when this particular market we started, no non-tribal have been allowed.
Your visit to the market.
Good afternoon to everyone. Today, along with Deputy Chief Minister, Preston Tensong, and our Tourism Minister, Paul Lengdo, and the Hima Melim, and all the other officials of different departments, we had visited Ïewduh market area, and the purpose of our visit was basically to look at the overall condition and what needs to be done and what improvement has to be brought in. As you're aware, we have already sanctioned and work for 6 crores is already going on, and different parts, you will notice that the footpaths have been repaired, and it has been made into stone footpath to give it a natural look. So in that same line, we have now sanctioned close to 15 crores more, and for that also the tendering and the work, all the progress will happen, and next maybe a couple of months we should see the work for that also to start. And the main purpose is again to the pipes that are going along the footpaths, we will put them under a duct, and then we will redo the entire footpath and will make it better. And also overall we will try to beautify the place. Of course, this will not be enough, but our objective today was to see what more can be done, and we realized that there's a lot of problem with water flow, with the nalas. So all of this is included in the second phase, which is the close to 15 crore project. But we realized that there is much more to be done, and therefore we are now going to prepare a master plan and see how we can bring overall improvement in Ïewduh. We are very, very concerned about this because more than or close to about 1 lakh people, their livelihoods depend on Ïewduh market area directly and indirectly. and therefore it is very important for us to ensure that we are able to maintain this and bring it up. And that's why we have come in a very big delegation. All the officials from urban, municipal, PHE, MECL, and all the other related departments are all here. And slowly and steadily, we will ensure that we improve this place. As I said, we cannot do it in overnight. Obviously, it's a large work, but the process has started, and I'm very happy. We got to meet the vendors, the farmers out here, the different shopkeepers. We interacted with them. We got very good suggestions from them, and thank God it rained also. So we really could see live what problems people actually face, and it made us realize that we really need to do a lot more in this area. So we're very happy, and it's a very good visit, and we want to assure the people of Ïewduh, especially the shopkeepers and the Hima and all the other traditional heads, that we will do and work hand in hand with them to ensure that we are able to improve the overall Ïewduh market.
So what were some suggestions given by the